What's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw Bitcoin from MoonPay. So if you need to transfer your Bitcoin from MoonPay to a wallet or exchange, then let's do it safely and quickly. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your MoonPay and then log into your account. And of course, you do have to make sure first that you have already created your profile, verified your account, activated your portfolio so that you will be able to actually see all of its features and maximize all of them. So yeah, once you see the withdraw option somewhere right here, you should just click that. And then once you click that, you will just have to select Bitcoin. And once you select Bitcoin, you will paste your wallet address or scan your QR code. And then you will enter the amount that you would want to withdraw. And then you will have to review fees. And then after that, you will just have to confirm the transaction and complete any required identity verification and wait for the blockchain confirmation. And by the way, it may take a few minutes to 1 hour. It really depends on the network congestion. And yeah, always double check the wallet address before sending, and once confirmed, the Bitcoin cannot be reversed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.